On this digital media clip, we're going to look at how we traditionally measure safety performance and where that leads us to focusing on a top-down, severity-focused safety matrix when maybe we should be considering bottom-up. Traditionally, we always measure safety using a triangle, normally called the Bird triangle. And right at the top of the triangle, we have fatalities. On the next layer down, we might have major injuries. Below that, we'll have lost time accidents. Below that, we might have minor injuries, no lost time accidents. Below that, near misses. And that's where most organizations stop measuring. The challenge with measuring safety performance from the top down is the numbers have become so low, it's very difficult to see if we're truly heading in the right direction or whether we just got better by accident. So most organizations decide they're going to focus on near miss reporting. If we don't have a culture of reporting near misses, sometimes we can get caught in the trap of forcing our employees to report near misses 2 a week, 4 a month. This ends up in a situation where our high-level safety statistics are being reported on made-up observations. The next interesting challenge with measuring safety performance this way, it does replicate the Bradley curve and the downward trend in accident statistics, but what it really helps us understand is which side of the bow tie we're actually focusing on. Because fatalities, accidents, and even right down to near misses, they're an experience or a consequence. They're on the right-hand side of our bow tie. That normally means we're always focusing on the negative and what happens because somebody behaved in an unsafe way. If we're smart about how we think about safety metrics, maybe we should be looking at the behaviors that generate those experiences and the thinking that drives the behaviors. So our triangle at the bottom should consist of something below near misses. And below near misses is unsafe behaviors. Now you may know unsafe behaviors as unsafe acts or conditions, but either way they're still created by a human being behaving in a certain way. And below unsafe behaviors is unsafe thinking. So if we focus on improving our safety performance by changing unsafe thinking and unsafe behaviors to safe thinking and safe behaviors, we can really start to challenge the triangle from the bottom up. If we erode the triangle from the bottom up, we reduce the near misses, we reduce the accidents, incidents, right the way up. You can no longer support the fatal accidents and major injuries because you've narrowed the bottom of the triangle. And this also helps us understand the total shift in focus from negative away from safety to positive towards excellence focused safety. And this matches directly with flipping our Bradley curve on its head and look at a performance S-curve instead. If we focus on positive safety conversations, positive safety behaviors, and demonstrating an excellent safety performance, then eroding the triangle becomes just the way we do things around here. What is interesting about starting a program that affects the bottom of the triangle is what else does it affect in the business? What's on the second, third, and fourth sides of our pyramid? As you change the way people think, they can't help but use the same skills in environment, health, quality, and performance conversations too. So this approach doesn't just help us get good at safety, but it challenges every single thing we do.